Alright, I just made the video on how to clean this stuff up. And I go out of the room and it smells funny. So I'm going to show you how to do it when it's fresh. She's got, you can see the carpet's all damaged over here. It's all bumpy. She just did this like 2 minutes ago. It's not her fault. Okay, so I'm going to scoop it up. She was at the vet before because I saw some blood in the poop. I was kind of worried. You can see the blood in there right now. You can see the red blood. Scoop up as much as you can. I've got this in the cover of a Ben & Jerry's ice cream container. Blot it. I want to get this done really fast because I've got to pick somebody up soon. So you don't want to spread it. You want to blot and get as much of this as you can out of the fibers. And I know as I blot it like this right now, I'm actually pressing it further in, which you don't want to do. I'm in a big rush to get this done. I just put all the chemicals away. Okay, at least I caught it early. Let's go to the next one. Not thrilled about this. Okay. Alright, I don't see any blood in this one, but this is all wet and all loose. So you can see a bunch of the lawn. It looks like the spoon is red. Maybe not. But she's had the runs like about 6 or 8 times in the last 24 hours, so as long as it's a bright red, that means that there's an irritation in the bowel tract, probably from going to the bathroom so much. Yeah, this is all soaked in. This is, unless I get this really fast, this carpet could be completely destroyed. This has gone on for about a day and a half now. Is that reddish? I can't tell. Okay, so we scooped everything up that I can in the Ben & Jerry's cover. Let's get this out of the way, and we're going to get more paper towels and some cleaner. Whew, does it smell? Okay, so this is the big one. So I want to take care of this first. Let me try to blot this up a little better. The more you can blot up, the less you're gonna push into the carpet. I can't really get much more. So I'm just gonna go in there and get hydrogen peroxide 6%, spray it on there right away. The bottle's already empty. I just filled it up. Use 10% solution. Of ammonia. I don't really want to do this, but I don't have a choice. So what happens is the hydrogen peroxide 6%, Salon Care Volume 20 is breaking down the stain. I should let this soak in there. The ammonia is making it activate a little faster, a little better. Now, it's definitely soaking in there, so I'm just trying to remove, you can see, trying to remove as much as I can from the top layer. This is a bad stain. This is definitely not a good stain. This is all runny. This is probably the worst stain I've had from her so far. And something like this probably needs to soak in for 12 hours to just let the chemicals break it up and do what they're supposed to do. If the person comes home and sees this, they're not going to be happy. Oh my God. Hello? Hi? Yes. Yeah? All right, give me about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Bye. Oh my God. Oh boy. All right, they called. They want you to pick them up. This stain is really bad. Oh my God, is this bad? The thing about this process, if it doesn't remove the stain, go back the next day and the next day. Just keep working it. Oh my God, are you serious? Now, you could just use ammonia. Be careful that you're not going to damage your carpet. I think at this point, when you got a big poo stain in the middle of the carpet, how much more are you going to damage it? I got the other one to work on. See, you can tell the poo is coming off on the paper right now. This is where the stain was. And yes, the carpet is definitely, I just wear gloves. I just did this, and my the ammonia gave me skin burn. So I'm just trying to soak up as much of this as I can. You can see as I'm doing this, the paper towel is coming up brown. So there is a lot of stain in there still. If you have a shop vac, that's when this becomes really handy, because you spray this stuff down and you suck it out of the fibers with a lot of pressure. I don't really have time to do this. I've got that other stain. I should have sprayed the other stain so the chemicals would be working on there. It's smaller. It's about the 10th poop stain I've cleaned up in the last 24 hours. That's pretty damn impressive. Look at that. There was a poop stain there, what, how many minutes ago? Gone. Mitzvotov. Let's go to the other one. Oh boy. I've got to soak in there a little bit. I don't want that to be the case, but it is. We got to get this one done. And this stuff is meant to break it all down over a couple hours or a day. And then if it doesn't remove it all, you go back and you do this again and again. Let me just get the brush. It's kind of like VLM or LVM, low volume moisture. Let's get this to break. Whew, that ammonia is strong. I just have to get this done. I'm going to be in the car in less than 5 minutes. About 90% of the stain is already gone. Soak it up a little bit. Soak it up a little bit. It's already burning my hands again. Ooh, does that hurt? Ow, does that burn? I'm going to have to start wearing gloves. Ooh, whoa, does that burn? Ow. All right. Let's get this soaked up. Soaked up. Soaked up. I think if you left it there, a professional carpet guy could go in there and remove this for you for $500. And the nice thing is, I want to get this absorbed now. I want to get it. You don't need to. Ow, my left hand is starting to burn. You don't need to, because this is hydrogen peroxide and ammonia. It is going to dry, residue-free, soap-free, stain-free. Might take a day, but it's going to dry. You tell me where the poo stain is, people. Come on, give me $5,000 in donations, PayPal donations, Super Chat donations, be a member, join the channel. Oh my God!